Everyone's heard the saying, measure twice, cut once. Now's a great time to go back and double check that all your measurements are correct. One very unique feature about our tool is the fact that you don't have to remove the drill bit to change angles. The drill bit has to feed up from the bottom. So once you have the drill attached to the top of the drill bit, you don't want to have to detach the drill, take the drill bit out the bottom of this in order to change your angles. To use the drill alignment tool, you first set it above the hole that you're about to drill. You can use your drill bit to find the center of the hole. Secondly, you use these bolts to level the base. You want the bubble to be in the center of the level. By turning the bolts, you change the angling in the base and place the bubble in the center. Third, you pick the angle you're going to be drilling at. If you're on a straight run of fence, meaning the fence comes into the post at the same angle that it comes off the post, you're going to be using 0 degrees. If you're changing directions coming off that post from the mesh coming into it, less than 90 degrees, you will angle 2.5 inches away from the turn. This I'm going to demonstrate a little bit later on in installation. To change our angles, we have this unique guide. The guide has a hole pattern on the inside. The hole pattern is for 0, 2.5, and 5 degrees. In order to utilize this, you loosen the wing nuts and slide the bolts in position so you can change your angle. Once you have the position you want, tighten the wing nuts back down. When drilling the hole, you want to drill down 4 inches. A lot of times you will actually go out the bottom of the pool deck. As I drill each hole, I insert a sleeve. Then to the next hole that I have marked, I double check my measurement before drilling. Here I'm going to drill actually towards the outside of that hole. As you go down the line, you can carry this adjustment on. Here we have an angled hole. This one's going to be at 2.5 degrees. The reason why is this pole has the mesh coming in at this line from the previous. However, when we leave this pole, it's going to come off this way. So we have a slight turn in our pool fence direction. We're angling at 2.5 degrees away from the turn, so it's going to be leaning this way. This is so that we have tension at the top of the fence.